Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am getting ready to give you an update on where I'm at with my new warehouse. Okay, warehouse update. So it is currently May 26, 2018, and there is a hearing on June 6th. We have to get an exemption because if you look over here, see where our house is, we're not allowed to build anything forward of our house property. And so we have to get an exemption because we want to put it about 10 or 15 feet forward so that we don't have to cut down our beautiful trees back here. But I'm currently standing at about the front door of where my warehouse office will be. We'll have a garage door here so that I can bring in pallets. And then we'll have a regular door here. Then we'll have a little bit of a porch, so anytime I get a delivery, I'll have a place to put the boxes, and also put, I'm gonna get a nice cute wooden box for the mail pickup, so anytime I have a mail to be picked up like eBay or Poshmark and stuff like that, then it'll be under the covered porch as well, and everything will reside out of this building instead of my house that I'm currently taking over. And so then I'll have a window and then another window on the corner. It's gonna be fully insulated. It'll have its own HVAC system, so I'll have it nice heated and cooled. But anyway, I'll come in the front door. My office will be right here on the corner. Then I'll have all this space to be able to do videos, sort, store things for Poshmark, store things for eBay, and I'll be able to just reclaim a section of my house that will actually become my children's hangout because they're all kind of reaching teenage years, and I'd rather have the friends come to my house to hang out with my kids rather than me having my kids go somewhere that I don't know. So we're gonna make that into a nice hangout room. But anyway, June 6th is the hearing date, and I'm really excited about maybe building this building so that my business can blow up and so that I can really reclaim my house again and make my house a home instead of half of my business, and make my business a business. So there's an update on what's going on with the warehouse. It's going to be 24 by 30 right here in this side lot here, and so it will take up this space. Don't worry, I've got plenty more property to be able to fill, but it'll basically be just in front of all these trees, and then just on the other side of the camera, if you pan over a little bit, you'll see where the road is, so I'll have easy access to the road. We'll do a gravel drive. We're going to do a cement platform for the building so that everything will be nice and clean and be able to get to the building very easily. So it'll have its own driveway, and I also have a third vehicle I can park in that driveway. So I'm super excited about the warehouse, and I'll give you an update as soon as we start building and what the update is on the exemption for the permit. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.